This is Poco X6 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable the bootloader on this device. So to start, you will need to power your smartphone off. So hold the set power button and tap at the power off option. Once the phone is switched off entirely, press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously like that. Hold them. Once you see the INFINIX logo, let your finger off the power button, but keep holding the volume up keys. Here, press and hold the power button once again and tap at the volume plus once. Now select the reboot to bootloader option here and execute it. Or actually beforehand, of course, I forgot to tell you to connect your phone to the PC, so do that through the charging wire. Or I mean any other wire that you have, it doesn't have to be your charging wire. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.